What's up, guys? Welcome to the Great Kids. I'm Mama, that's Sarah, and today we're doing the authentic flavor. So guys, this is so fun, and you guys, we did a video at the jumping park, and we did this, and we eated this, and now we're gonna eat it on our phone. So let's get right into this video, people. Okay, Ara, almost opened it right here, so we're gonna do that. Okay. Oh, they have a new glass. She's like, are you okay, Rara? So let's get one for me and two for Raya. No, we gotta wait for our spoons. Guys, look. Pink, blue, orange, green, and orange again. Guys, let's open it and see how it looks. It looks look like cotton candy. Why can't we have the spoon size at the middle? It's more in the middle. Bust them, busters. Guys, this really smells like cotton candy. This really smells like cotton candy. And guys, so look how it looks like. Blue and pink. So guys, this cotton candy flavor is really nice. This cotton candy flavor is really bustin'. So guys, you guys gotta taste it.
Araya, do you like it? You do?
Guys, I think I know how to make this. So we gotta get cotton candy and then roll it to a piece ball, put it in the freezer, and now melt it, and I'll put it in the freezer again, and then that is bustin'. Yeah.
So maybe we should do an experiment to see if that actually works.
Guys. So nice. So I love it. And guys, we have two, so we're gonna use them to make the cotton candy juice. And then we're gonna use them to make cotton candy.
Araya, what are you doing? Araya, what are you doing?
He's making mess on the table. Guys, watch. Mix it. Mix a little. Ooh. Guys, these are the colors of our bathroom, right? Cut is blue and pink. I don't know what to say right now. Because this is busting. How many backs do they have? Only 2? No, they have 3 backs. And then they have 2 backs. Okay, so guys. I don't even know what to say right now.
What is Araya doing?
She's like,
Are you guys done?
And guys, you guys can buy it at Walmart and where? On Walmart and Amazon. Food Amazon. Because Amazon make get people food. Hey, what are you doing? I should make ourselves. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. We're done. I'm getting out of here and eat my yummy ice cream.